Hi there, I'm John Leach, and you're watching Arc Fishing.
Look at that crappie, man. That's a nice crappie. Nice largemouth. Very nice largemouth. Nice largemouth bass. Nice largemouth bass. Yeah, good deal.
Alright, I'm going to eat this beautiful muskie. 35-inch muskie. Catch and release. Woo! 17-inch largemouth bass.
Yo, what's up, fishing fanatics? Welcome to another awesome edition of Arc Fishing. I'm your host, John Leach. Today is Saturday, April 27th, 2019. I was going to take the boat out today, but they have sustained winds between 17 to 20 miles per hour and gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. So I went up to one of the other lakes, and it was white capping, 1 to 2 foot waves. So I'm going to try to do some wade fishing back here. I'm thinking if I go back to one of these coves, I get out of the wind and shouldn't be white capping. I should be able to get some fish. So I'm at a local lake again, one of my favorite honey holes, where it's wade or short fishing only. I'm going to start out throwing either a spinnerbait or the silver Senko. I'm pretty confident those two baits are going to work today. So we'll see what happens. I will see you on the water. And always remember, navigate life and go fishing. Look, see if I can zoom in here. Even the ducks and the geese are out here. Look how windy it is. And the ducks and the geese are still out in the water. Look at that. That could tell me the fish are biting, man. There's ducks and geese out there.
Alright, get across this cove and go hit the honey hole. Let's hope this is shallow enough, because I can't see how deep or shallow it is. I waded this yesterday. There's a fish. There we go, fishing one. Well, how's it spinnerbait on? Yeah, good deal. Alright, now we know what to use. That's a good one too. Be a good fight. Two and a quarter. Alright, be careful. Oops, I forget to do that. There we go, man. Fish number one, 13 inches and a quarter long. 13 and a quarter inches long. And look, there's my measuring tape. So I measured. Ooh, is it windy out here? I mean, fishing in heavy wind today. 17 to 20 mile per wind, gusting as high as 30 mile per hour wind. But I'm catching one today, man. Chartreuse spinnerbait. It's a booyah spinnerbait, all chartreuse, Colorado blades, and a gold with crinkle coat on it. That's fish number one, man. 13¼ inches long. All right, catch and release. See you on the next video. Bass, fish number one, baby. Got the trailer hook on him. Catch and release. There he goes. Such a cool bird. I'm gonna fight in that wind. Oh, nice. What did you catch it on? What did you catch it on? Get the heck out. I'll just throw it out. I get a single hit on that. Told you that lure works. Nice. It's a decent one too. Yeah, nice. Small, it's a nice chunky one. Let's see what he measures. Oh, he's 14½.
14½?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Yeah. Can I get a picture of it?
Yeah. Do you want me to use my phone or your phone? I can use mine if you want.
Here.
Hold on now, I don't want to drop it. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay. I'm going to take a couple just to be safe.
Good?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, we're good. Oh, you ready? Got it?
Yeah. Good, right?
Yeah.
But once I was about to find it. But when he got that thick shit.
Yeah, they'll wrap you around the lily pads quick. I had a couple get off because they wrap you around the lily pads and they pull off. That's frustrating. I used the 5-incher.
Huh?
I used the 5-incher. Yeah, I was using a 4-inch. I bought 5-inches today. I went to Dick's Sporting Goods this morning. I got a pack of 5 inches. I left them in the truck. Let's see, you got the hook too.
Yeah.
What brand did you get, the VMC or Gamakatsu?
No, I sent it to you. There's a different one. It's like Berkeley.
Oh, really? Yeah, I got a pack at Dick's Sporting Goods this morning. My VMC was 4 of them for $5 at Dick's Sporting Goods. Yeah. That's a bunch of carp jumping over there. Yeah, that's a shallow cove. There's bass, and I fished that. I mean, you can catch bass over there too. That's mostly carp. Every carp I ever caught was caught by accident. They give a great fight, but I don't target them. They do fight like crazy though. best place to be right now will actually be over there in that cove right out of the wind and cast out into the wind. That'd be the way to do it. That's a hike. Well, you gotta go down that way and go up around. You can try it if you want. Yeah, that's good as well. I haven't fished that side in a long time. So we can hit the trail on the way out. What I usually do is I'll just slowly work my way up that spot and just keep fishing because you want to blow by fish. There could be some big ones right here. Especially being this clear, man. This really surprises me. If I'd have known this, I would have came here right away.
Yeah, when I was actually driving around the lake, I said, this is not going to be good.
Yeah, on the front side. Yeah, I know. I took that boat to Blue Marsh this morning, and I thought, I'll give it a try. It's a good day to take the boat out. I pull up there to the launch ramp, and like, that ain't happening. It was pretty white cap. I mean, it was way worse than this. It was like 1 to 2 feet waves, easily. There was 2 guys pulling out, and I said, how bad is it? He says, well, it's not bad once you get out there. He said, but loading and unloading the boat's a nightmare. I said, well, I'm going home, going wade fishing then.
Those rods hard to get used to?
Nah, they just take practice.
Like any others?
Yeah, so largemouth and small are my favorite. Now, you ever catch a smallmouth?
Yeah.
I love that they fight. They have no quits to them. They'll fight to the death. They're amazing. So smallmouth and largemouth are my favorite. But
Caught a huge one in the Skilling Basin.
yeah. But yeah, I like catching muskies, chain pickerel. I'll catch anything. As long as I'm catching fish, I'm happy. I don't care how big or small, as long as I'm catching them. Years ago, I used to go right below the Conway Dam in Maryland. We used to catch a whole bunch of shad on 8-pound test line. They're small fish. They're only between like 10 and 20 inches. The max is 20 inches, but they're fun to catch though. There we go. Fish one. Oh yeah, baby. Now we're talking. All right. Yeah. That's more like it. Yes, baby. I was gonna do that. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Fat one too. It's 14. I'm gonna do the video right now. Check that out, man. Yeah, so there we go. Fish number 2, 14-inch largemouth bass. Finally found a clear section of water, less wind and clear water. It took me a while. I've been throwing everything, but once again, caught on that silver Senko, 4-inch yumdinger. The color's called tin foil. 14-inch largemouth bass. Catch and release. Fish number 2. See you on the next video. Yeah, that was fantastic. Now we should start catching them. Alright. Yeah, I cast it. He was out pretty far, to be honest with you. Oh, he's... Yeah, well, I don't. Yeah, that's fine. They're coming shallow too. Alright. 14-inch largemouth bass. Catch and release. Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't want to get away either. What do you got? A bunch of gear in there.
Yeah, I bought one.
Yeah, I went to Dick's Sporting Goods. They had 3 packs of these. I grabbed all 3 of them. I could be wrong. I saw. Are you friends with Lauren Henry on Facebook?
Yes.
How do you know him?
My dad used to hang out with him all the time.
Him and I went to graduate high school together.
You know Mike Keller?
Yeah, that name rings a bell. Mike Keller.
Yeah.
You go to Fleetwood?
Yes.
You graduate in 91.
Yeah. Or, no, I think so.
I graduated with Lauren. I know Lauren. In fact, Lauren and I used to play baseball together years ago. That Mike Keller rings a bell, though. If I saw him, I'd probably recognize him. If he went to Fleetwood.
Facebook. Facebook.
Yeah, I'll have to look. I was gonna say, because when I was in high school, we didn't have a football team when I was in high school.
I think he went to another football or another team because they didn't have football.
Yeah, they started the football team the year after I graduated. Yeah, I'll tell you, used to make a really. It's a shame on a business. They were super soft, but it gave them incredible action. I used to get it used to be called Gander Mountain, the black ones. But you'd go through those like crazy, but they were so soft. They had that awesome fluttering action, and every time I cast it, as soon as it would start to flutter, the fish would nail it. Yeah, you can't get them anymore though. They stopped making them. It sucks. They were great lures.
You know the spinners that have like those propellers on it?
Yeah, the inline spinners.
I love using them.
Yeah, they're good lures. Yeah, they work.
So,
The Mets and the Panther Martins work the best. Rooster tails are okay, and Thomas makes a really good double blade one. They work good too. You ever hear of Thomas double blade? That's a good one. But I usually like the Mets and the Panther Martins the best. Yeah, there's everything in here. There's chain pickerel, white perch, yellow perch, black crabby, white crabby, muskie. Yep, there's walleye in here, smallmouth, largemouth. Channel catfish, flathead catfish. I'm not sure about blue catfish, but there's channel and flatheads in here. There's definitely eels in here. I don't think there's northern pike in here. I've never seen a northern pike come out of here. Not saying anything in here, but I've never seen one come out. But I've seen muskies in here, and supposedly there's striped bass in here too.
they're more at Blue Marsh, I heard.
Oh yeah, they're stacked in there, but they're hard to catch. I'd love to get a freshwater striper. I've caught plenty of saltwater stripers, but I never caught a little baby freshwater striper. I want to get a big freshwater one. That's one of my goals.
I almost lost one, but I didn't last time. Oh, I got one.
Do you? Nice. Good deal.
Nice one. And that's what I mean, you just drag them.
Nice. Hey, it's a fish. He's getting skunked. On the yum dinger. You got that line out. You got too much line up. Yep. Give me a second. Here, hold on a second. You gotta let some line out. There you go. Yeah, you can't keep them right now. They're actually closed.
No, I know. That's not what I meant. I was just like, get another picture, but it's a little too late now.
It's all right. You got a picture of them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. I got it on video too. I can always try and send the video through email if it'll let me.
Oh, you keep it on?
Yeah, I have it on.
Okay.
Heck yeah, I make YouTube videos, man.
So this one's gonna be me and Buddy.
Do you? Oh yeah, nice. I didn't realize you had one on. That's hilarious. That's a nice one too, man. Good deal. Another nice chunk. Look how fat that one is. Well, my line's still out there.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna some line out.
It's gonna be kind of hard for you to take a picture of that one.
Well, hold on a minute.
Here, I can
Hold the rod.
crack through it.
Hold on. Okay.
You got it?
Yep. I took 4 pictures. 2 vertical, 2 horizontal.
I hate when you're trying to help them out and they have their flop.
That's a fat one, man. Yeah, actually put this. Here, hold on. I want to measure him. Put this in your chest waiter so you don't lose your phone. Don't worry about the fish. Just put it in your chest waiter. Here, let me have. Hold that. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that again. He's 16. It's a nice one. 16 incher. That's a nice one, dude.
Slipping.
A 5 incher definitely catches. I'm gonna have to start using the 5 incher. Seems to be working better. Here. Got it out. You want me to get it? I got pliers too.
Yeah.
Let some line out.
Might be a female.
There we go. Hook just fell out.
Did it?
Yeah. You want to throw it back? You want me to throw him back?
You're good.
That was a fat 16 incher, man. Was that your 3rd one already?
Yeah.
Nice.
Probably the best day of fishing I ever had.
Yeah, I got. It's called arc fishing. There's probably about 100. Should be about 150 videos on there by now. So I posted 97 in 2017. I think last year I only posted like 48. And this, my goal is to be able to post 100 videos this year.
100?
Yeah, that's my goal.
That means like 100 bass.
Oh, yeah, I plan on catching more than 100 bass.